Hey everyone, Sam here. Time for our weekly alter update. First, about crashes. Some of you experienced too many crashes recently. That's why most of our work this week was to fix that and make alter more stable. Of course, this is an ongoing work, so if you still hit a problem, please send us a report because having a stable product is always a top priority for us. But you know us, we couldn't go without a feature. Or maybe two. So I'm happy to introduce a new quick action called Insert. As you may know, quick actions let you reuse the assistant's last reply. With Insert, that replies goes straight into the app you are using. No copy, no paste. So, to show you, let's rework the built-in correct grammar to streamline the correction workflow. So, open the notch and go for the action editor, which is actually the window I have here. You go to the built-in section, and here you have all the built-in action made for you and provided by Alter. We'll look for the correct grammar one and duplicate it here. So we have to go to the advanced section, and here we can now choose Insert. And it means that when this action is done, automatically Alter will try to insert the last reply in your active app. But I also want it to be triggered with a global keyboard shortcut. Basically, my process would be to highlight some text I want to be corrected, hit my global keyboard shortcut, and be replaced with the correction. Let's choose Ctrl-Command-C, for example. Let's highlight this text, call the global shortcut, and the text has been replaced. And you can still see what changes have been done, so you can roll back if you want. That's not all. Yeah, sorry, not sorry. Many of you asked how to add option to an action without editing the YAML files behind the scene. So you have actions like the change tone or the mail reply that ask you a couple of questions through a form before the action is run. And so many of you wanted to change, for example, the value. So let's go back to the action editor. And for the example, we will try to change the change tone function. Change the tone. And now you have this, I will duplicate it, these parameters. So let's look at this one, which is radio input. So you see we can provide a tone parameter to our prompt. And I don't want this option, actually. I want more funny ones. So let's create an option. Let's say make it dark. I want a cold tone when I'm not in mood. And let's say that is angry tone. So when you have these input forms, you can reuse it in your prompt just by for example, drag and dropping the value here. It kind of variables for your prompts. So let's try this change tone action with our new option. And you see here you have a form that asks you what kind of tone you want before running the prompt. And this is what forms are useful for. So make it dark, for example. It is. Help. So, with that, please update Alter and test these changes. Try Insert, play with the form builder, break it, and let us know what you think. Know that we will keep improving stability while turning Alter from a quick in, quick out AI tool to a super assistant. So keep your eyes open. And again, thanks for watching and for using Alter. See you next week.